In this video, I will show you one of the most popular web hosting platforms. It's called Bluehost. It provides WordPress hosting. So let's see their plans. They offer the basic plan for $3.95 per month. And this you can create one website. They give you free SSL certificate, 50 gigabyte storage, and free domain for 1 year, and 5 packet domains, 25 subdomains, and this and the plus package $5.95 per month. Here in this package, you can create unlimited websites, free SSL certificate, unlimited SSD storage, free domain for 1 year, and unlimited packet domain, unlimited subdomains. The choice plus this will be like $6.95. You can create unlimited websites, unlimited storage, free SSL certificate, and all these features. This for WordPress hosting. And then for share hosting. The share hosting means if you want to create like more than a website in the same platform, the same website. So the same plan, you can create more than one website. So it will be the same hosting, so you can create more than website. This is called share hosting. So you buy only one time hosting, then you need to buy a new domain like for $10 or $15 and then create a website. They have basic plan. This is for $3.95. One website for the basic plan. They offer one website. This for plus unlimited websites and unlimited storage. Here also unlimited website, unlimited storage. And also this for the pro, get more power with the optimized web resources. This will give you unlimited website also. So the three from plus, choice plus, and pro, they give you unlimited websites and unlimited storage. But only the basic, they give you only one website. This is related to share hosting. So if you want to create more than a website, but if you're just starting, you need like simple website for affiliate marketing or for your business startup. You need one website, and then later on you can upgrade for share hosting to create more than one website. Then have online stores. Also can create stores like WooCommerce, and so WooCommerce store. So this for 15 per month, and this for 25 this premium, and the standard. Unlimited products. Here you can make one store plus one blog, and then one store, website, and blog. So this the premium when they give you one store, website, and blog. But here you have one episode, one store, website, blog, the same. Unlimited product, unlimited. The difference only online booking. So the difference only here, online booking and appointment schedule. So in the basic one, the standard one, you cannot do online booking and this appointment scheduling. This for this if you want to create e-commerce website, you can use these services for stores. And then professional services. Full service website, SEO services, and let's check this. They offer SEO services, fine-tune your website for better visibility. Here they give you a consultation if you want to optimize your website or your store to rank higher on search engines, Google and Bing. So this is the Bluehost for hosting. If you want to just create one website, like you need to pay like starting this where WordPress. If you want to just create a simple website, I'm gonna put a video down below. It shows you step by step how to create video, how to create website from beginning, and then just come select this basic plan if you want to create like simple website for affiliate marketing or for your business. Just this is one of the most affordable prices, like for 4,000 $4 per month, one website and free certificate. Then later on you can upgrade for this when your website starts getting some make you some money. So thank you for watching this. Check the link. I'm gonna put the link down below. Check it.